Hi everyone, today is about you and I. So welcome to Noske Tech Talk. Let's talk about life generally and how we are planning for 2025. My first video was more on what we can do um, to protect our heart in 2025. So what about life on its own? How do we plan to do the life in 2025? Do you still want to do it the way we did it in 2024? Do you still want something extremely of high value this year? So what's our plan? What are we looking into? What are our aims? One of my matron at work says something that is um, very sensitive and interesting. She said, Kate, I love being around you. You are an inspiration. And that brought me to my own point of reflection to see why was she inspired by the younger nurse? Why, what is it in me that make her feel inspired and to want to be around me? So as you as well. Something is actually unique about you. Wherever you are, whatever you do, and whatsoever you choose to do in life, something somehow is special. I find smiling very easy. However, some people cannot smile for seconds, talk of minutes. Why some find laughing very, very easy, and why others find it difficult to even laugh for some time. You would think to them is an attitude, but they actually find it difficult. So, what is it about you that you know that you find easy to do? Is it to inspire others? Is it talking? Is it laughing? Is it writing? Is it speaking? Is it the way you market a product? Is it the way you help others? Is it the way you volunteer? Is it the way you bring one and turn it to two? Is it the way you have the ability to bring others together? Is it the way you are able to organize an event and it becomes successful? That thing, that thing in you that makes you to love children more, that makes you to, think faster, analyze things easily, um, have good insight about some situation. That thing in you that makes you to pray for a long time without being weary. That thing that makes you to sing and have new ideas of songs, okay? Then something is you. And I call you into order for you not to take those things for granted. Do not take that your hash practice for granted in this 2025. Do not take that thing that you can do easily for granted. Do not take that thing that makes you unique for granted. That your skills that you know how to do and to do it best. Do not take it for granted. All you need to do is to know how to communicate these things appropriately. Majority of us has those things, but we cannot communicate it. We are timid. We think of what people will say. Why at this kind of my age, I'm 40 and now I feel like dancing. I feel like writing. I feel I can write a book at this age. Yes, you can. You can do it. Age is not a barrier. You can push for more. You can bring that thing out of you. Do not allow anything to hold you back. Communicate that skill, because if you don't communicate it, nobody will know that you know how to do it. Communicate that your expertise, because if you don't, nobody will request for your expertise. That thing that you know how to do best, communicate it. And we have so many nice places to communicate this thing. You can communicate it through your phone by using WhatsApp, your Facebook page. Instead of watching movies on them, you can communicate effectively. And that will also enable you to learn how to speak to people respectfully. If you know that what you want to become, someone's already manifesting it. If at all this person is very, very close to you, be open. Open to life. Talk to this person. Let them know you admire them. They are your inspiration. And you will love to learn about how they do what they do. And from this, you can become better. You can become better and live happily. The truth is that when you hold your passion within you, there's a way it makes you angry, especially when you see people who you know they are not doing it the best way they can, but they are pushing for it. You feel angry about yourself. You feel bittered, and this will take away your happiness because you constantly compare yourself with these people because you know what is inside of you is what they are manifesting. So why not take a bold step this year? Whatsoever the profession you find yourself, if you're a nurse, if you're a business person, if you're a civil servant, whatsoever you are, you're a student, whatever you have this year, push for more. Communicate your expertise. Communicate your skills. Look and follow people that are doing what is inside of you. By doing so, you'll be able to manifest those things that you wish to do. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this will inspire you to take action in 2025. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.